G'day guys, how's it going? My name's Sean and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider hitting subscribe. What I do is I make tech videos, I do tutorials and I do reviews about products that I've purchased. And today we're going to be doing a review and overview of a light called the Yongnuo YN360 LED light bar and all of the accessories. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to take you through everything that come with the kit that I purchased from eBay. Quick mention is that I couldn't find this product online and any sort of Australian retailer that sold it directly to the customer. I had to actually source this product from eBay. There were some shops in Australia that did sell it, but the premiums and the markups were really, really high. So this light, I believe, is imported from Japan. You can only find some places to buy it from on eBay that have sort of like the authorization, I guess, to distribute this product. But the Yongnuo YN360 light bar, what I got when I purchased mine was the light bar, obviously, the battery, come with one battery, the battery charger, a battery, I guess, travel adapter. As I said before, is that this product comes from overseas, so it didn't include the standard Australian wall plug, so they actually give you a converter for that. The one that I picked up as well also come with an AC adapter. So the AC adapter is really handy if you're wanting to do shoots that maybe go on for hours and hours at a time. The battery doesn't last really more than an hour, so the battery is going to be really helpful for, I guess, if you're wanting to be portable with it. It also comes with I guess, what color would you call this? Like an orange filter, which magnetically clips on to the top of the light. So if you're wanting to alter the color ever so slightly, you can do that as well. With the filter, it just sort of magnetically clips on. And it also came with a travel bag. So you can put everything in the bag, take it with you, keep everything protected. Nothing more that I really need to add there. Now, as far as the light and some of the features of it, so on the light itself here, you've got the power on button. So we've got the battery installed, and you can go ahead and you can actually turn this dial up and down as you please. If you have it set to where it says here coarse or fine, you can actually toggle between each one just by pressing the button. The coarse option, basically the increments are every 10 or 10% at a time. If you change it to fine, you can increase the percentage just one at a time individually. The other option you have on the other side here is 3200K and 5500K. So if you're just wanting a warm light or a white light, you can toggle between each color as you like. You've got a battery status to give you battery health. So P9 is, I guess, 90% or above battery, and there's P8, P7 and so forth. And then on the top left corner, you've got a RGB button. So one of the cool things about this light, I guess where it gets its name of 360, is that it's able to do lots and lots of different colors. So it can do obviously red, green and blue. And then what you can do is you can sort of press red, green or blue. You can just keep pressing that button and the little color changes to sort of tell you which color you're controlling. So if I have it set to red and then turn the dial up, that's going to give me a lot of red on the light bar, and I can turn it up or turn it down as I like. If I want to go ahead and mix colors, I just press that RGB button and go to green, and again turn that up or turn it down, and then do the same thing with blue as well. So I can turn it up and create things like purples and yellows and orange and all those other colors that are in that range. So it's really, you know, a great tool to have as part of a studio. Being on set, you can create really whatever light color that you like. So one of the other cool things about this light bar is that it actually has a Bluetooth module to actually talk to your smartphone. So you can download the Yongnuo YN360 app from the App Store on Google or iOS, and I'll leave a link down to that below as well if you're interested. And I'll open up the app here on the phone so you can see what it will do. And it's really simple to actually configure. So you just open up the app, and then if you've got the light already on, you should see that on the phone you have this option where it says like connected, and you just go ahead and hit the arrow in the top right hand corner here, and then you've got a color wheel. And what you can basically do, if I hold this up and move my thumb around on the color wheel, it will essentially just go through and change color to whatever color I like. So if I want to go ahead and make it more orangey or pink or purple, I just drag it up to that corner. If I want to make it green, I can do that as well. So it's a really handy app to have in case you can't exactly get the color that you want from changing the dials. You can just go ahead and use the app. You can actually also go ahead and turn off the light and turn it back on again, which is really cool as well. The only thing that the app doesn't have is an option to increase or decrease the brightness. So I mentioned that on the light bar you can change it in every 10% increments or 1% increments. On the app you can't do that, so you have to set your brightness first, and then you can go into the app and you can go ahead and change the colors. Now, if you want to know how the colors appear in daytime, in all of my videos or on the most recent videos that I've done, you can see this light bar in the background showing the colors. I actually also use this light bar as part of my streaming setup, but I'll include some B-roll at the end of this video to show you what it will look like at nighttime as well. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Now you know a bit more about the Yongnuo Y360 light bar and the features. If you liked this video, then give it a like. If you didn't like it, then dislike it. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me in the comment section down below or on Facebook and Instagram as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.